Welcome to the Year One Assembly. We are going to take you through what you have learned so far. Get ready to learn something from what you have learned.
Today I'm going to learn about comparison of numbers. Here we have three signs: greater than, less than, equal to. For example, here I have number 3 and here I have number 2. So 3 is greater than 2. So we put a greater than sign. Always remember that the crocodile's big mouth goes to the big number. Second, here we have number 2 and here we have number 4. So 2 is less than 4. So we put a less than sign. Third, here we have number 3 and here we have also number 3. So they both are equal numbers. So we put a equal to sign.
I can count in two. I keep on adding 2. Like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. When we are counting in 5, we keep adding 5 to the number. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Let's have some fun with maths. So, do you know what's called maths? I teach you. See, I have 3 and he took 2. So I left with the 1. So, see, I had 6 chickens and he took all the 6 chickens. So I left with nothing.
Addition is my favorite. It's all about putting things together. 3 plus 4 equals to 7. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. And 2 plus 3 equals to 5.
Doing 10. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. 2 sets. 10 plus 5 equals to 15. 3 sets. 10 plus 10 equals to 24 sets.
The container is in the first place. The glass is in the second place. The cup is in the third place. The jar is in the fourth place. The tin is in the fifth place.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. 7 days make a week.
We had fun learning about the months of the year. These are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Do you know about sets? A set is a collection of things. Like this is a set of sketch pens. This is a set of color pencils. This is a set of crayons. This is a set of markers. This is a set of spoons. This is a set of blocks. For example, this is 4 markers. You add 6 color pencils. They become 10.
I've learned about 2D shapes. 2D shapes are also known as flat shapes. They have sides and vertices. Sides are the straight lines that form our shape. Vertices are the corners where the 2 lines.
Shape. Did you know we live in a 3D world? Our globe is a sphere. Most of our roads look like a pyramid, and our class is a giant cube, and our tables look like a trapezoid.
We learned how to express ourselves in culture.
We wear chania choli. Our culture food is biryani. We sing and dance and our culture dance is Garba.
चोगाड़ा तारा चबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग वेद जुए तारी बात चोगाड़ा तारा
Living things are things that have life in them. They can breathe, they can eat, they can reproduce, they can pass out waste, and they can move. And they are plants, people, and animals.
No, plants have parts just like as humans. Plants have roots, a stem, leaves, fruit, and flower. Non-living things are the things that do not have life in them, like my shoe, my water bottle, and my books.
Cycle is a pattern of cross that only living things go
No, a butterfly has 4 unique stages of growing and changing. A life cycle of a butterfly begins an adult butterfly laying the eggs. The eggs hatch to a caterpillar. A caterpillar turns into a pupa. A pupa turns into a beautiful butterfly.
life cycle of a bee. Egg, larva, pupa, and bee. Hello parents, we have enjoyed learning about nouns. Please enjoy our presentation about nouns. Nouns are naming words and there are 2 groups of nouns, common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns name general things, people, places and animals. Proper nouns name specific things, people, places and animals. True. A person like me, Abigail, a place like a Kashamol, a thing like a dog, and an animal like a cow. And also, common noun begin with small letters and proper noun begin with capital letters. Let's play a game. I will say a common noun and my friend will say a proper noun which suits it. Boy, John, day, Monday, subject, school, international school. I hope you have enjoyed the game. Nouns are so interesting to learn about. Went ahead to wonder our world without nouns. How will it look like without nouns? I wonder the world without nouns. The earth will not have any. I wonder the world without nouns. People will have none. I wonder the world without nouns. No one will know what they want, because nouns are the most words. I wonder a world without verbs. It will be very boring. You will not stand, you will not sit, you will not move. Verbs are action verbs. It tells us an action that is happening now, an action that happened yesterday, and an action that will happen tomorrow. In our last episode in Prairie Expressions, we learned about expressing ourselves through dance, food,
means momentarily cannot be Ready to go? Ready? Ready, friends? Now some words, one stop, please. How we go?
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.